Go.
Yan yung junction ng right atrium tsaka right ventricle. So this is your tricuspid valve. Ito yung first cusp, second cusp, and third cusp. Okay? Tapos, ito yung interventricular septum. This is your mitral valve or the bicuspid valve.
Sa left.
Left ventricle.
Okay.
Okay. And then,
Sige, okay lang.
posteriorly, ito yung heart, di ba?
Ayan, ito yung anterior.
Ay, anteriorly. So, ito yung heart. Makikita siya sa posterior part, ay, superior part. Ito yung moderator band. Yan, yung blue. Nasa right atrium siya. Tapos, yung moderator band, ito yung ang oblique structure na yan from the interventricular wall to the wall of the atrium. Yan yung blue. Tapos, this one, yung walang pin, muscle ridges, yan yung trabeculae carneae. Okay, muscle ridges. Yan, mga muscle ridges na yan. Okay, ito, this is your papillary muscle, yung pinned yellow.
Malaki.
Ayan, ito, papillary
Yung
muscle.
orange yung...
Yung orange, yan yung chordae tendon. Ito yung mga strings, heart strings.
Okay.
Ito, papillary muscle din yan. Ang laki. Yan.
Yung bagyo, di ba?
Yan, heart strings. Okay, then, let's check on the valves. This is your anterior again part of the view of the heart. Ito yung
Okay.
pulmonary artery, ito yung aorta.
Okay.
So, ang pulmonic valve, pulmonic semilunar valve, ayan. Yan yung pinned red
From right ventricle.
from the right ventricle. So, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, yan.
Okay.
Kita yung pockets. Tapos, sa aorta, okay, ayan uli, anterior view, para, let's go. Okay, ayan siya sa loob. Yung pinned yellow. Yan, kitang-kita rin ang pockets niya.
Okay.
Tapos, tinatry kong hanapin yung yung butas, hindi ko mahanap eh. Wala lang. Oh, yun na yun.
Okay.
Yun na.
Ito.
Ay, may nakalimutan pa ako. Dito sa atrium, ito ang pectinate muscles.
Pectinate.
Ito yung counterpart niya dito is trabeculae carneae sa ventricle. So, pectinate muscle. Tapos ito, crista terminalis.
Pectinate crista. Okay.
Pectinate